Addition of dissimilar fractions. Dissimilar fractions. Fractions are dissimilar if they do not have the same denominators or if the denominators are not equal. Example, 4/5 and 2/3. In adding similar fractions, you only add the numerators, since similar fractions always have the same denominators. However, in dissimilar fractions, since they have different denominators, you cannot add directly. There are certain steps to follow. Example, add the dissimilar fractions 2/5 plus 1/4. Step 1. Find the LCD of their denominators. 2/5 and 1/4. So their denominators are 5 and 4. So we are going to find their LCD using listing method. So 5. Multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. Next is 4. Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So the least common denominator of 4 and 5 is 20. So the LCD is 20. Step 2. Make the fractions similar by equivalent fractions. 2/5 and 1/4. So the new denominator is 20. What will you multiply to the denominator 5 to get 20? It is 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. You also multiply 4 to the numerator. So 2 times 4 is 8. What will you multiply to the denominator 4 to get 20? It is 5. 4 times 5 is 20. You also multiply 5 to the numerator. So 1 times 5 is 5. Step 3. Add the similar fractions. So we now have similar fractions, which is 8/20 and 5/20. So we can now add because they are now similar. We will just add the numerator and then copy the denominator. So 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. And just copy the denominator. Step 4. Reduce the answer if necessary. 13/20 is in its lowest term already.